that it's round. The important thing about you is that you are you. It's true that you were a baby, and you grew, and now you're a child, and you will grow into a man or into a woman. But the important thing about you is that you are you. So you can see how you can take a little book like this and make it a tool to teach students how to get at the guts of a text. So figure out what is the important thing. What is the important thing? There's some controversy on what is important. The important thing to Molly isn't that a daisy is white. Certainly not. It's important that maybe it gives off oxygen. That might be the important thing to her. So there are different things that might be important. But you can see how students use this to get on a higher level of thinking. That's what we always ask them to do. They learn to summarize, they can get to the point, they can take a critical stance on why they think something is important in general. So now it's your turn. I wonder what would happen if you thought about what was important about school. A lot of you are at the same school, but you might have different ideas on what you think is important about school. And it might change if you're a student. Some of your students might think the important thing about school is safety. They know when they're going to eat. They know when they're going to sleep. I mean, sleep, nap time. Gosh, I should implement that throughout. But anyway, you have that whole gamut there. And it's different if you're a principal than when you're a teacher. Sometimes, maybe, I'd be interested to see. What I want you to do, you should have paper in your folder.
If you don't, I have some.
We have some extra paper as well if you need some. I want you to start with the statement, the important thing about school is. And some of you might be interested to see what your teachers at your schools think about it. The important thing about school is. If you're a visual person that needs help getting started, you can think about it like a target. Okay? In the middle of that target, you can put the word school, and then the first things that pop into your head, you can put right here, and then you can elaborate on those afterwards. I'll shut up.
Important thing about school.